Out the radar behind us. It's a nasty line of storms right here on the doorstep now. Thanks for joining us here at 11 o'clock. I'm Mike Dardis.
And good evening to you. I'm Cherie Palillo. So it is going to be a long and loud couple of hours here. All of greater Cincinnati, including all of you in Kentucky and Indiana, are under a tornado watch right now. We have live team coverage for you tonight as people prep for the storm to roll in here. We begin with Chief Meteorologist Kevin Robinson with the very latest. Hi, Kevin.
Hey, good evening, Mike and Cherie. Well, a couple of things to update on. Let's talk about what's happened so far here tonight. One, we had a cap in place in our atmosphere, so that at least prevented any supercells, or what we call particularly intense storms that were running ahead of the line from erupting across the tri-state. That's a positive part of the forecast here. Also, I will say that, and this is just being honest, overall, looking at the organization of the line of storms tonight, while it is still intense out here, and I certainly think severe weather continues to be an issue through the overnight hours, because I know a lot of folks are going to be getting ready to go to bed here shortly. I can't emphasize enough the importance of being able to get these severe weather warnings while you sleep through the night tonight. Now, with all of that being said, I have seen somewhat of a weakening trend in the past hour or two in the overall appearance and structure of the line of storms. So let's get right into it and talk about what's happening here. We've had a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Union County, but that weather never really impacted those of you in Union County. It went up north of the Dayton area. But here's the storms now just beginning to approach southeast Indiana. And while these are intense storms, I want you to note they're only severe weather warned right now for wind. That is the primary threat. We keep watching them down from Greensburg over towards Columbus, so they are just now about to approach southeast Indiana. So within the next half an hour to 45 minutes, these storms will begin to approach maybe western parts of Franklin County, Fayette Union counties up here. We'll probably get some severe warnings out of these, as well as even Ripley County. At the moment, the primary threat remains the concern for damaging winds here as this line of storms eventually moves towards southeast Indiana. What I'm keeping a really close eye on, the segment of line here is from Bloomington down towards Louisville. This line has been particularly nasty throughout the evening. There were numerous tornado warnings out when it was to the west, farther west, and you can still see there are ongoing tornado warnings along this segment of the line of storms. It remains, however, fairly intact, and I do think a part of that will at least clip the viewing area. So that's why I say, while overall I have noticed, because of some interactions with storms and boundaries in Indiana, an overall weakening trend in the organization and look of the line, but I don't want us to let our guard down as this comes through tonight, because the environment is still supportive of severe weather, even if we've seen a little bit of weakening momentarily in the line. So Mike and Cherie, we are going to continue to watch all of this as it moves our way. More than likely, it will be after the 11 o'clock newscast, so we are off at 11:30. This will be, looks like now, kind of a midnight to 2 a.m. type deal for us, and that's the reason why the tornado watch is out until 4 a.m. for the tri-state. Of course, we'll be here to keep you up to date, obviously, through the overnight hours as conditions continue to change.
That's right.